How to fix? Please wait while we start your update in Epic Games Launcher. First step, completely close Epic Games Launcher. Close Epic Game Launcher. Open Task Manager. Search in background. If Epic Games Launcher running in background means end the task, search it and end the task. Then move on with next step. Open Run. Type the text services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Epic Games Services. Right click, click Properties. The startup type it should be automatic or manual. Click Apply and OK. Do it for all the Epic Games services. Close it, then move on with next step. Clear the Epic Games launcher cache. Open Run and type the following text: percentage local app data percentage. Scroll down and search for Epic Games launcher folder. Scroll down. Click Epic Games launcher folder. Click saved folder. Delete the web cache. Once deleting after, close it, then move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Select change settings. Scroll down. Search for Epic Games Launcher. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means click allow another app. Click browse. For easy method, come outside. Right click Epic Games Launcher. Click open file location. Copy the address. Come back. Paste the address here. You can easily get the application. Click it and add it. I already have, so I skip it. You need to click add and enable in both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. Close it. Next step, open this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space. Right click, click properties. Click tools, click check and scan the drive. Successfully scanned, no error were found. Close it. Then move on with next step. Right click Epic Games Launcher, click properties, click compatibility, enable run the program as administrator. Enable it, click apply and OK. Then last and final step, click settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network settings, click network reset and click reset now. Thank you.